package. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is me, CherieDani. Hi. If you are a new viewer, welcome. Hi, hello, how are you? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you like your stay here. Hit that subscribe button. Yo, it's that same voice. Like, what is that? Hit that subscribe button. Y'all heard that, right? I think it was telling you to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on, and also follow my social medias. Okay, so guys, I got a package. I know y'all be getting excited about packages as much as I have, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've gotten this package a couple days ago, so it's been sitting in my room, and I've just been wondering what's inside of it. So y'all gonna get my first reaction. The reason why I'm just not opening this package is because I came back from Valdosta. My room was a mess. I had to clean it up. I had to get my life together. So I'm sorry, but it's okay because I'm finally about to open this package. Okay, so what is in this package, you may ask? I don't know. We have to open up to find out, don't we? Yes, we do. And see, that's the thing. I don't know how to open packages. Let me find some scissors. Found some scissors. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Let me stop playing. Oh my goodness, guys, look. It says you are officially a brand ambassador for glossedbynae. All right, so as soon as I open the package, there's another box. Another box. Is there anything else inside? There's not. Guys, look at this. I love the writing on it. It's so cute. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay, so it's telling me my brand ambassador requirement. Okay. Okay, I get my own promo code. Okay, I have read the requirements. And now it's time to get to the best part. Opening the box. Oh. Ooh. Y'all, I love stuff. I love stuff. Like, don't even do it. Okay. Oh my goodness. She got candy in here, y'all. We got some oils. Okay. We got a hair scrunchie. Look at this. This is so cute. I'm going to show you guys everything. A shirt. Look, this is glossedbynae. Oh my gosh. Look at this shirt, guys. This is so cute. Look at that gold. Look at that. Sis, glossedbynae. Period. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got. Okay. So I showed you guys already. I got this scrunchie, cute scrunchie. This is so cute. I love the color. Got a business card. First of all, glossedbynae, your business cards are on point. Literally. Very precise. Love it. I got a hair clip. Oh, guys, I love these hair clips so much. They're so, like, hair clips are literally, these really add like that good like accessory to your hair, and I love that. I love that so much. Like, it just make your hair pop. You feel me? Period. Okay, so I want to show you. Oh, I got another one. I got another one, guys. This is so cute. It's like a silk material. Y'all, this is so cute. I love this. I love these. I cannot wait till I get some like box braids, and I'm definitely gonna like, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, a nice little sticker. Right here it says glossedbynae. Okay, so now I get to show you guys what's inside of here. Ooh, I'm excited. So this right here, ooh, I think this is a lip oil. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look, guys, I gotta stand up for this. Look how cute this is. It has glossedbynae. This is so cute. I wanna try it. I wanna try it. I should probably remove what I have on my lips to try this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I have nothing on my lips right now. I'm gonna try this lip oil. Okay. First of all, I love the smell of it. It smells really good. And my lips are moisturized. It's like, it's not too heavy. You know how lip oils are. It's like, it's pretty light. I like this. Okay, glossedbynae, period. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so she gave me some body shimmer. Oh my goodness. And I gotta shake it up so I can show you guys. Look, oh my goodness, look how cute this is. This is so cute. Look at this color. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know I have to try it. Let me put this down. I have to try it. Let me try it. Ooh, first of all, this feels really good on my skin. It's like, it's not too thick. It's like, it's literally like the perfect texture. Look at that. Compared to my regular. That looks good. Glossedbynae. You over here making my skin glow. Sweetie. Girl, let me see. I want to know how it smells. Oh, this smells so good. Y'all, I'm all for scents. Like, I'm the type of person, I like to smell good. You know what I'm saying? Like, smelling good is like one of the best compliments. Okay, what's next? Oh my God, I got some new lip gloss. Guys, I think I've already purchased like three lip glosses from her. Like, I'm literally obsessed. Like, and I got some more. Look at this. Oh, this is is this a rose petal lip gloss? This is the rose petal lip gloss. I was literally gonna order this next. Look at that. That's so cute. You know we gotta try it. Come on. Ooh, it smells good. Y'all know I'm for scents. Y'all, this is some good lip gloss. This is some good lip gloss. Look at that. I love it. Honestly, I'm loving all of these items so far. Like, glossedbynae, thank you. Thank you. What's next? This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I know I'm saying everything is cute. I'm sorry, but it is. I mean, as y'all can see, it's cute. Like, look at this color. Look at this cute color. It's like kind of shimmery almost. Yo, this is cute. I gotta try this. I gotta try it right now. Okay, so I just took the lip gloss off that I just had before, and my lips still feel moisturized. I don't know if that's from the lip oil or if it's from the previous lip gloss, but my lips still feel moisturized. Like, glossedbynae. What you doing? Whatever it is, keep it up. Okay, we're gonna try this lip gloss next. Okay. Ooh, already it's looking cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so cute. I love this color. It's like, it looks like it matches my lip color like perfectly. And she also gave me a lip scrub. Look at that. I got another lip scrub from her also. It is like a peppermint flavor and I loved it so much. So I cannot wait to try this. Gloss by NAE, you really gave me some good products and I appreciate you so much. And I'm sorry it took so long for me to open this box. Okay, I had to get my life together. But she also gave me some candy. And that's really sweet of you. It's kind of late right now. It's like 2 a.m. So I'm not gonna eat this candy. I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. But thank you, Gloss by NAE. Listen, shop with Gloss by NAE. She has all natural products. This girl works hard, okay? You hear me? You hear me. I'm going to put her Instagram right here and I'm gonna put her link in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and coming with me to unbox these great products. I really appreciate it. And also do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on, and also follow my social medias and follow Gloss by NAE so you can be updated with the newest products that she's going to be putting out. And thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.